Hello, Mr. Witcheye. I have now just a brand new Turny Evo Generation 2 in front of me. As you can see, it's standing on a stand in our showroom, but we will look at the play that you mentioned in the videos. If you see my hand now, I grab the same thing as you do, and I try to pull it back and forth. There is no play at all anywhere. If I, on the other hand, drive it out, and immediately when the lift motor here starts to lower, I release the button, and I do the same thing as you do. I grab the seat pan and I move it back and forth. And you can see the play that it's in these angled gearboxes. Here inside there are sprockets and gears. Same thing there, you can see inside here is a sprocket that goes against this rod here that has teeth underneath it. And since there are sprocket gears all over the place, if you follow this, there is another gearbox in here that rides on this teeth bracket right here. It will be a lot of play between the sprockets and gears, and all these together, these drive shafts here into here, will make this play that you can feel here. But this is normal, and that is not an issue either. The problem is if you have the same play when it's moved in like this. Because in this position, when it's fully in, you can see the plastic wedge here that goes underneath the steel here. It is tight, and it should be tight. And when I now grab the same thing and try to pull it in and out, it is firm. It cannot move at all. This is where you control the play. If you have a play in this situation, I can send you another video. But for now, this is what it's supposed to be. Thank you.